Welcome to Collective Research. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most debated topics of our time, Bitcoin. Is it the future of how we transact? Or is it the biggest scam of 21st century? Bitcoin enthusiasts say things like that. Bitcoin is the future of transactions. Bitcoin will overtake the USD. We don't trust the government, it's painted money. Bitcoin is decentralized and supported by blockchain technology. Bitcoin is a store of value and a hedge against inflation. Bitcoin knows no border and has a limited supply, unlike the USD. And lastly, Bitcoin is going to hit $400,000. Let me quote Jamie Dimon on Bitcoin. It's just not a real thing. Eventually, it will be closed, Diamond said at the Delivering Alpha conference. He joked that even his daughter bought some Bitcoin, looking to cash in on a trend that had seen it soar more than 300% that year. I'm not saying go short Bitcoin and sell 100,000 of Bitcoin before it goes down. This is not the advice of what to do. My daughter bought Bitcoin and it went up, and now she thinks she's a genius. He even compared Bitcoin mania to tulip bulb craze of 17th century. Since Diamond's comments in 2017, when Bitcoin was trading at $4,106.23, it has gone as high as $68,500 during a global pandemic. At the time of writing, Bitcoin is trading at $38,500, a 4,058.26% increase in just 5 years. To put this in perspective, one of the biggest growth stories, Tesla, is up 1,795.63% over the past years. We have to acknowledge that Bitcoin has appreciated in value like no other asset class in the last decades. But let's dive deeper into some of the claims about Bitcoin. Top 2% holders own 95% of the $800 billion supply of Bitcoin. So, is Bitcoin really decentralized? Let's compare Bitcoin holders with USD holders. For USD holders, the top 1% hold about half of the wealth, 32.1%, while the next 9% hold approximately another half at 37.7%. The bottom 50% of US residents only hold 2% of all US wealth as of August 2021. About US stock market ownership distribution, as of Q3 2019, the top 10% of the households held 70% of the country's wealth, while the bottom 50% held 2% only. Now, for Bitcoin holders, the top 2% own 95% of the Bitcoin. Does Bitcoin seem decentralized to you? Well, is Bitcoin a digital currency? Yes, it is. Blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack, or cheat the system. It's a type of distributed ledger technology where transactions are recorded with an immutable cryptographic signature called a hash. And yes, Bitcoin has never been hacked. Well, is Bitcoin a store of value? It's been a very volatile store of value over the last decade. Despite its volatility, it has appreciated like no other asset class. Imagine owning a store of value that fluctuates widely from $5,000 to $20,000, then back to $3,000, hitting an all-time high at $68,500 and trading today at $38,500. Then the question arises, is Bitcoin an efficient way to transact? Bitcoin processes 4.6 transactions per second, whereas Visa does around 1,700 transactions per second on average. Additionally, Bitcoin consumes more electricity than some countries. So, is it really efficient? Okay, so now people might be thinking, is Bitcoin a hedge against inflation? The latest inflation rate is 7%. Since this news, Bitcoin is down 22.43%. And you must be thinking, is Bitcoin an asset? Well, Warren Buffett said Bitcoin is an asset that creates nothing. I can't name anything created by Bitcoin asset except it has made some people very wealthy over the years. Can you? Let's move to the last question of today. Can Bitcoin be traded? Absolutely. If you're a good trader who can sense market sentiment, there's money to be made or lost in trading Bitcoin. In the crypto world, savvy traders often take advantage of novice traders, newcomers, and those looking to get rich quick. I'm so excited to read your opinions in the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest research videos. And stay connected through all of our social media handles. Remember, knowledge is power, and staying informed is the key to making smart decisions. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning. Goodbye.